Good day, everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. If you are looking for a ready for occupancy or pre-selling single attached property here at Diparo, Caloocan, please continue to watch this video. So guys, in front of me is our single attached model unit here at Diparo, Caloocan. So it has 4 bedrooms, 1 carport with living and dining area, 2 toilet and bath with solar panel. And of course, kasama na rin sa turnover yung aircon. Please continue to watch this video, guys. So let's check our model unit. Let's go. So guys, this is a single or a small community here at the Caloocan. So this will be your subdivision, guys. So ongoing yung construction. So kaya medyo magulo pa. Ayan, but this is the actual turnover unit. So let's go. Okay, so guys, this is your 1 carport. And you have here your pocket garden, and also that's your main door. Okay, so this is your pocket garden. Okay, and sa pinakadulo meron tayong dirty kitchen. So check natin yung living and dining area. So guys, medyo magulo pa lang ito, no? Kasi ongoing pa lang yung polishing ng unit. So this will be your living and dining area. Right, so may mga gagawin pa lang dyan, inaayos pa nila. And also, meron tayo ditong entry and exit point going to your dirty kitchen. And this is your pocket garden. Right? Okay, moving forward, you have here your extra space for the storage. So this is still part of the turnover na. Yan, may mga ano dyan, cabinets, no? Dito naman ang iyong toilet and bath. So lahat ng fixtures dyan, guys, kasama na yung shower and also your sink. That's part of the turnover already. Okay, and we have here a small bedroom sa may baba. So you can use this as your office. Akyat tayo. So, nakakatawa kasi high ceiling, guys. Diba? And, so these are made of hardwood. Okay, so sa second floor po natin, we have 3 bedrooms. So this is your bedroom 2. And may malalaking glass window. Yeah, and kasama sa turnover, guys, yung split type na aircon. So that's part of the turnover. So we have 3, no, upon turnover na kasama. Right, and we have here your bedroom 3. Ayan, and meron po tayo dito common toilet and bath. And this is your master's bedroom. Yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. And of course, after a long day, no? So meron tayong balcony dyan. And of course, our split type. So check natin. Oh. Okay. Right. Okay, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or call me through the numbers provided. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.